We offer to provide security if the Office of the Vice President needs it. The Moro National Liberation Front, under the leadership of our beloved chairman, Professor Norm Misuari, we will make initiative and provide security details kung kailangan ng Vice President. Tumawag na sa akin yung mga retired MNLF integris, yung mga commanders natin sa ground ng MNLF, mga best fighters natin, yung mga expert talaga, veteran fighters natin. They call me, they are just waiting for the order, and then we will file the necessary protocols kung paano namin sila ayusin legally. Kung gusto niya battalion size, we can provide it. Anyway, that is just for security reason. Take it not offensive to the other parties. Na this is just, kung titingnan ng PNP, tulong ito ha. This is not a threat. It's about time to pay kung ano man ang ma-augment namin. This is not a threat, and this is